We are back with another video. As you can see, we are doing 2021 Select. Man, we are diving into the end of the pool. Some modern product. 2 Blaster exclusives. So, let's see what we find here.
Looking for any of those rare animal prints select cards. Like
sweet.
The hardest ones to pull. The tiger or I think there's a snake animal.
Can you get autos on this? So we're gonna be doing some more of this. So hit that like, hit that subscribe. We got a couple more boxes coming on this that we're gonna do some breaks on. These are always fun. It's a modern product, so it's always gonna be a good time opening this. So how many cards are in here? 4?
6 packs, 4 cards per pack.
All right, so let's see what we got. Ooh. Damn, these are so nice. Centering is off, don't want that. Ooh, rookie selection. Nice. So that is awesome. All right, cool. So put that in the yeah buddy pile. Oh man, some some of these cards like this, it's got scratches on it already.
What's that in the back?
Patty Mills. So this is one of those rare inserts.
Is it?
Yeah, buddy pile. Okay. All right, so let's see. Oh man, I really wish we could just find this though in the wild.
Sexton, Eric Bledsoe, Alan Gordon.
Quality control is a little rough on these though. Alright. Oh man, John Wall. This. Oh.
These cards are nice.
They're so nice. They really are. Yeah, just bag them for now. We'll look into them. Oh, we got this already? Nope. Andrew Wiggins. Wow.
Yeah, they put all the rookies in there.
All right, last pack. Wow, this product has us in awe. Last pack magic.
Ooh, James Wiseman. All right.
Nice. Bag and tag. Derrick Rose.
Oh, Derrick Rose.
New York Knickerbocker.
So, yeah, he was trying to put that team on his shoulders in the playoffs.
Oh, sweet. All right. So again, thank you for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. We got a lot more modern product coming your way, and we will catch you at the next one.